Okay, this video is going to show you just a direct link to all the video training that Nowsite has produced just on, what is it called, Vimeo. Okay, so at the bottom of this video, I'm going to just have a direct link to that page. And I'll show you right now just briefly what it looks like. Okay, so let's shrink my face over here. Okay, I'm just going to highlight at the top of your screen. Okay, see vimeo.com, search equals Nowsite. I know it's kind of a crazy thing to write down with a pen. I mean, you can. It's not that hard. It just takes a minute. But anyway, when you click it, I want it to go directly to this page, okay? And when it says search videos, people, and more, Nowsite, obviously if you just type in the word Nowsite, every video that's related to Nowsite is going to pop up just right there, okay? Now, the reason I do this is on their website, they have a couple other training videos that they're kind of distracting. Some are in Dutch, some have nothing to do with Nowsite, but it is included in their business. But in this case, most people just want to have training on how to do stuff just with Nowsite. So the no-brainer is to just search for all the videos, and then it condenses it down a little bit. But for example, let's say you want to know how to just create a simple email. You can just put Nowsite and just put in the word email at the top right. You guys see the top of my right screen there, just in that rectangle box. And then here, you just got to go through all the videos. There's just a handful that are related to email. And it looks like there's about 6 here. There's a marketing overview that obviously marketing includes email. Connect your email account. Super important. That's one of the first things you need to do. If you don't connect your email to a Gmail, it won't blast out. Okay, so here's Sharon, marketing fundamentals, how to share, but in the campaign. In my opinion, the 2 most popular videos are going to be how to connect your email and then an email campaign. Because what that's going to include is how to just go in to your Now website, go into marketing, and then it's going to say email, and then you're just going to click on email campaign. You're going to make a folder that you're going to put your leads into, and then you're going to make an email. And if you want to, you can make that email attached to those, leads in the folder, and rock and roll. I don't send over 500 emails a day, and that's because that's the limit that Nowsite allows you to, and Gmail, okay? I send out about 400 right now because I'm warming my Gmail accounts up. I have a week head start from you guys, so plus I've emailed before with one particular email address. But what I recommend doing is just forming a brand new Gmail account, because remember, if you send 10, 20, 30,000 videos a month, which is quite easy to do when I show you, all of those emails, the rejected ones, are going to go in your inbox, and then out of the sent box, it'll show all the emails that you've sent. And what I do is I eventually just all the bad ones, I just kind of highlight, and then I hit delete, and then I go into my delete box and I delete those as well. I just don't want any bull crap with my Gmail account to get screwed up to where they think I'm spamming and doing something where it gets shut down. So I get rid of all my invalid emails, and then I also empty my trash. Even though just in my mind, I don't know if that'll affect my Gmail account, but if I have 100,000 bad emails, that looks awful. So to me, I even take out the trash and the trash in the trash, just so that every time I do an email campaign, I go ahead and clear out my Gmail account. That's just connected to Nowsite. Okay, that's just something I do. Anyway, let me show you again. Okay, this is just what it looks like. Connecting your email. So I'm just going to hit play. Or, I clicked connecting your email account. And let's see, it's about a minute. I think it says 1 minute and...
Welcome to Nowsite. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can connect your email account so that your sales pro can get best results.
Okay, so in my opinion, just if you have 2 screens or if you have just one, obviously open up your live Nowsite account and then open up this video, and just if you have one screen, then just go back and forth. Just watch 10 seconds, pause. Watch 10 seconds. If there's something to do, then pause it. Go do it on your Now site and just go back, forth, back, forth. And then at the end of it, if you don't understand, watch it again. It's very easy in my opinion. Otherwise, I'd make my own version that's better. And I think theirs is so darn easy. I'm just going to make a video on how to watch their video. And then my videos are going to be just certain emails to create. Because showing you how to create one doesn't show you how to type and actually make one, because you could have a pizza place or a dental office, or maybe you're looking for leads for cars or real estate. But in this case, most of my videos here on YouTube, they pertain to LiveGood, which is a health and wellness company with a membership of $9.95 a month. You buy absolute wholesale for your store in the mall, strip mall, buy them for yourself and use. And then there's also an affiliate division. And if you're interested in LiveGood watching this video, right below this video, click it. Go on a free tour. You don't have to buy nothing. Just relax, get yourself a drink, check it out for 6 minutes. If you want to come aboard and make money, great. And I hope you do. And if you're watching this video, I'm showing everybody that, you know, AI technology is quite amazing, and you can just go reach out and get thousands of emails a week and just filter out the bad ones. And all you need is a couple a week that are pretty cool. You're going to find some nice people in South Africa. I had 2 people in South Africa get a hold of me last night as I produce this video. You might watch this 10 years after I made it, but I don't even know where South Africa is. I have to just look at it, spin the globe. I can find that big old piece of dirt called Africa. I can kind of go south, and then I go over and go, oh my God, right there on the west coast. Okay, southwest, Ivory Coast. That's the nickname here in America. Now they call it like Conte d'Ivoire, or I can't even say it properly, but AI technology is amazing. And obviously emailing people is one of the ingredients, because you're also going to have Facebook information where you can messenger those people. LinkedIn, which I think is powerful, because most people, if they have an active LinkedIn account, they are business minded. They're not really posting a lot of posies and random vacation pictures. Now, if they sell vacation packages, they will. And if they sell flowers, they will. But I tend to think that most people on LinkedIn, they got their business cap on. I got my KISS hat on. I got this like 50 years ago when KISS End of the Road tour. They're retiring. Here it is, 2023, and they're still rock and rolling all night. And they're actually doing their last show ever on my birthday in December. So that's pretty cool. So anyway, this is just a simple video where you can click the link below that will go to the main information videos on how to set up and actually do stuff on Nowsite. Okay, so I'll just end it like this. I'm going to make 100 probably related to Nowsite, because I don't want my team in LiveGood to get stuck on anything. And then when you learn something, when people sign up underneath you, first thing you do is help them get a couple people, because if you teach them how, they will teach other people how, and so on and so on. I'm interested, obviously 14 levels, because it's a 2x15 matrix. And when I'm a diamond, that means I get paid levels on 15 levels. So I'm on 1 level and I got 14 more to worry about. So I want to do the best I can to teach, you know, groups of people 14 levels down, and so on and so on. I don't care if you guys teach 500 levels down. It's just fun to help people, isn't it? So, okay. If you want to join LiveGood, right below. And if you want to join Nowsite, believe it or not, if you do it real quickly, you can get it for only $49 a month, unlimited, which you need. You got to get the unlimited package. It's the only one that will work. And you can get it for 49 bucks. Just enter promo code 49. And if it's not valid during this video, keep checking back. I wouldn't be surprised if Nowsite says, you know what, let's go ahead and give some LiveGooders some deals. All right. Okay, take care. Watch my next video. Should be popping up right now.